this is Matt from drawingtutorialsonline.com, speed talking, and third video of the day, and we have the lady in green. Emily, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
How do you say your last name?
Fabrizi, well, Americanized.
You say it much better than me. So we're celebrating the Christmas spirit?
Yes.
All right, beautiful. Okay, so Emily has a sketchbook, and I love it because the progression of the quality of her drawings really takes off towards the midpoint of the sketchbook. Now, Emily, I forgot to ask you, what's your dream job?
I'm not sure. I used to think it was character design, but I kind of want to be like an art director, I think.
Okay.
Like, pushing more into the behind the scenes, like
Really?
I like being in charge.
Okay, love it, love it. I like that a lot. So you know what you want to do, and these drawings are really cool. And we were talking about the theme for Emily's sketchbook, and the theme is just going to be massive amounts of improvement. And what really attracted me to Emily's sketchbook was this line that she does. It started getting really different and very, very different than what I've seen in a lot of other sketchbooks, the pen and ink line that you do. Yeah, it's starting to evolve over here. Absolutely. Life drawings in class?
Yeah. I think this is when she was walking.
Okay. Yeah, the model today, I didn't want her to not stop. I wanted her to stop in between poses. Let's see, hold on. This is the sort of page that I really, really dig. And so is this just like you sit down to draw and anything just comes out of your brain?
Well, sometimes it's like I feel really sick, like headache-wise.
Okay.
And I kind of just try to draw how my body is feeling at the moment,
Wow,
which
okay.
is pretty crappy when I draw like that.
Wow, I never tried that. And even this page is a really nice page. Same type of concept?
I was really hungry, and this is how I felt. And it was Halloween, so it had to be a little spookier.
Wow. Yes, the messier, the better. I really like that tremendously. Good. It's another great little page. You got some gems down over there with the pen. This is a ballpoint pen or some kind of marker?
It's like a regular, like, black ink ballpoint pen, kind of.
Wow.
I like using pen a lot more.
And then we have the dreaded hand and foot homework, which I appreciate you doing.
I did my best.
Nice. I like the cylinders on the fingers.
This is the walking.
I see. But today, was that from today?
No, this is from October, I think, or November.
Because today, when I asked the model to do a walk cycle, I didn't think she wasn't going to keep moving.
I was freaking out.
Yeah, I was too when I saw what she was doing, and so I'm like, yeah, you got to pause in between. Okay, so a little experimentation with watercolor.
I used to do more watercolor, but this sketchbook is really bad for watercolor, and I was very disappointed.
Okay.
So I had to stop.
Movie night, cool. Torso peanuts, good job. What pencil's that one?
This was the China marker.
Okay.
I finally invested in getting art supplies that weren't for free.
Okay.
So I think that helped a lot.
Good. Storyboarding for animation?
My final, yeah.
Okay.
It was for a song.
Nice page. Okay, so you seem to be getting a lot more in control of your line in the last few pages there. Very nice.
Story pitch homework.
Before Thanksgiving break,
This was right before Thanksgiving break, I think.
the torture of perspective.
I enjoyed it in class, not so much homework.
Now, hold on a second. This is a page where I feel Emily went uber creative, very expressive with the line, very different. I just absolutely adore this page, and I think you're your touch with your hand on the paper is really, really good. Very creative. Love it. Same thing here, nice page, a little bit heavier with the line, but still very nicely done with the pen. This is a different marker.
It was Sharpie and like more Sharpie.
Okay. Another one of my, this is one of my favorite pages in the sketchbook. The shapes there are, this is just something that you sit down and you draw out of your imagination. How long did that page take you?
A couple of minutes, 15 minutes maybe. I was in class, not paying attention. They were
So
from
it was
my
intuitive.
dreams. These were my dreams.
Wow, okay. And this is also one of my favorite pages in your sketchbook. That character there in the middle on my left is amazing. The movement there, and you definitely turned a corner in this sketchbook. I'm really excited for you. That's a great page. More of your dreams?
Yeah,
Wow, like that.
edgy.
Yes, love it.
It was December 1st. Obviously, first day of Christmas.
So do you see your progression in, because I know sometimes we get too close to our own work. Do you see it?
Kinda. I think I got better, line-wise. I think I'm pretty much the same, though.
Okay. No, I definitely see a huge improvement, and it even was happening in class with your life drawings.
I feel like that's where I improved the most. Observe.
That's cool. Great page. Lots of chaos. Cool. Museum trip.
Yeah,
Did you like the museum?
I loved it. This was when the guy was stalking us.
Oh my god, I can't believe that. Crazy. Love the line on the left and the right drawings. Good job. A lot of work in here. You're doing front and back. I'm just realizing that now.
Towards the end.
I love those characters that are all kind of messed up. Another great page with the line and shape. Good job. Oh, and the way that you did those animation drawings is just, I don't know about you, but I think that delicate thin pen line is where it's at in your sketchbook.
That's it.
Wow, that's nice too. Great little character over there. Emily, thank you so much for sharing. It's the calm before the storm, and thank you guys for being quiet over there. And we'll talk to you soon. Be good.